Start by laying out and organizing all of your pieces. Begin by building the base of the unit. Place the 2 rivets of the double rivet beam into the bottom 2 holes of your first 2 uprights and gently hammer downward into place at each end of the beam. Make sure the flange of each beam is facing upward. Repeat the same step on each side of the base. Once the base is complete, assemble the bench top the same way you did for the base, instead using the top 2 holes on each upright, again making sure the flange is facing up. To install the riser shelf, use the smallest double rivet beams and 2 long double rivet beams to attach the shelf to the 2 tallest uprights. Finally, lay your shelf boards onto each level. Action Wholesale Products has been the leading provider of industrial warehouse storage solutions to the Southwest United States for nearly 40 years. Though we keep our 40,000 square foot warehouse well stocked with only high quality products manufactured to the most stringent specifications, we work diligently to keep our prices competitive and pass the savings on to you, our loyal customers. Give us a call at 800-966-3999 or feel free to stop by to see everything for yourself.